right, the first one we have is pangos, and pangos means like the scratches or bruises. Like maybe you fell off your bike, maybe you crashed somewhere, and then you're all covered with scratches and bruises and scars. Pangos is that word to describe the scratches and bruises or whatever. Antos means to endure or to suffer, right? You're gonna suffer in pain to stand something, to endure it. Uh, Hawa means like to leave a place or to isolate or to be removed or to be away from somewhere. Whether your parents are divorced and they live separately, or you're telling someone to get the f out, scram, beat it, leave a place. Hawa, right? Or they're just living in isolation, right? You're living away from people. You want to remove yourself from a place, to leave a place, like to be away. This one is an interesting one, right? So pasangil, right? Pasangil. Sangil is the root word. Pasangil, right? Or pasangilan, or ayaw ayaw ko pasangil I, right? Pasangil I. There's that I at the end. Ayaw ko pasangili. So it means to blame someone, right? To blame someone at fault, or to accuse somebody, or to charge somebody with something, right? You're blaming somebody. Don't blame me. Ayaw ko sangili, right? Don't blame me. Ayaw ko pasangili. Sangil. It's a useful one. Atiman is bantay. Labang is to cross or pass across something. So, you can use this when you're crossing a bridge or crossing from one street to another, the other side of the street. You're going to cross from point A to point B, right? Labang, all right? Labang. Asa tama labang. Where are we going to cross? Banakon is a cobra, or a type of like cobra. So it's like a king cobra. It's a type of snake, a type of cobra, right? Banakon. Bitin is halas, right? And remember, banakon is a type of bitin. Banakon is a type of halas because bitin is halas. Tagbo means to meet or encounter someone somewhere. So you're going to have a meeting point. You're going to encounter somebody, like, oh, you just met this person in passing, or you're planning to meet somebody at a specific place, right? Tagboanan is that meeting place, right? Because that's where you're going to meet. You're going to meet there to catch up on stuff. You're going to meet there to trade drugs. You're going to meet there to do whatever business. I don't know. You're just going to meet there. Gibawi, okay, gibawi means like to return or give back, take back, reclaim, recover something that was lent, right? So, I lent you money, then you gave it back. Gibawi, right? Bawi means to give it back or to return something. Like, maybe you're trading something and something was traded back to you. So it's like it's just coming back. It's like karma, like something just comes around and goes around. It's like bawi. Suon means to imitate, to copy, or to adopt ways, right? You're going to imitate, or, kopya, like, oh, you're imitating this person, you're copying this person, whatever they're doing. Saad means to promise, and salig means to trust.